Welcome to a flavorful journey into the world of Thai cuisine.
Thai food isn't just about tantalizing your taste buds.
It's a fusion of health and happiness in every bite.
Firstly, Thai food is known for its balance of essential nutrients.
With a variety of fresh vegetables, lean meats, and herbs.
Each dish is a wholesome package of vitamins and minerals.
Secondly, the spices and herbs used in Thai cooking, like turmeric, ginger, and lemongrass,
Are not only aromatic but also packed with medicinal properties.
they aid in digestion, boost immunity, and even have anti-inflammatory benefits.
Moreover, Thai cuisine's emphasis on fresh ingredients,
Means you're often eating foods that are free from heavy processing.
keeping the nutritional value intact.
And let's not forget the balance of flavors: sweet, sour, salty, and spicy.
That not only make Thai food delicious, but also stimulate your metabolism.
So, next time you indulge in a Thai meal, remember, it's more than just a feast for your senses.
It's a step towards a healthier you.